Alright, so I'm gonna be using this to be making a mod pretty soon. Alright, so hopefully this is the right one. You know, and I'm not gonna tell you what the mod is just yet, but it's not gonna be long until we finally see it, you know. It won't take that long. But here's one I'm really excited about. I can get it open. It is the gift cube by So I actually ordered this a long time ago from one place, you know, but they apparently didn't have it and they refunded my money, but now it got produced again. Oh, cool. So that's what the inside looks like. And this thing would go really nice in here, so we can put that up. We can figure this out. We can put the top on. If I can get this right. There we go. So, yeah. I might want to take this thing out because this thing feels like it could break easily. But yeah. And I also got this. This is a Meffert's bag. It's really nice. It doesn't turn all that great, but I didn't really expect it to. These jeweled tiles are very nice. Ugh. Okay, now let's just do a solve. Alright. Yeah, it doesn't turn all that great here. But I didn't expect it to, like I said. And it doesn't have corners at all, but you wouldn't really expect it to if it's like hollow on the inside. Whoa. Oh, whoa. That is weird. So yeah, it went right over the side that gets taken off. I'm not sure why I did that. Yeah, I'm not going very fast. I'm not doing, this isn't a speed cube, but gotta get that off. So yeah, we cannot take it off right now. Oh, I think I did that because it, you know, kind of comes off like that. So yeah, it's a little bit loose, you know, but you can't actually open it up until you get past this. I almost screwed up my algorithm, but now, there it is. So yeah, that's what the inside looks like. Cool. Okay, this one here, if I can get a screwdriver, I'll be able to figure out where this is the one. Actually, you know what, I'm gonna go get a screwdriver real quick to, take it apart, so I'll be right back. Okay, sorry about that. Alright, we'll move this out of the way, so, let's see if I can get this cap off. There are caps. Almost got it. Come on. Can't really tell how I'm supposed to get this thing off. I know there's caps on this. It's like they glued these caps on for some reason. Oh, there we go. Let's take a look. Okay, and let's take a look and wait. Alright guys, I'm gonna just take a look at it and found out that this is the wrong brand of it. I already have this brand of it, so I guess I'm a little disappointed. It had a logo on it, which is the right one. So I guess I'm gonna be ordering one off of Amazon now, and I already have one of these, and sorry for that background noise. Someone's fixing the dishwasher, but anyway, I'll probably sell this the other one at competition now, and I'll get the new one. So yeah, suffice to say, it's not the right one. You know, there's a reason why it won't work, and once I make the mod, you'll see. So yeah, I'll see you guys later.